Ang sabi ng tagapagsalita ng ICC,
We do not consider that this should be something that would be kind of distracting our focus from what we have to do, which is our core tasks and core responsibility towards the victims and toward the international community, which is to apply the law in an objective and impartial way.
Nako, patay na. Lagot na. DDE supporters, dapat nyo itong malaman. Ang tanong, makaintindi kaya kayo ng salitang English? Nako, kahit maggulong-gulong pa kayo dyan, magmamakaawa kayo dyan sa labas ng ICC, kahit mag-iyak-iyak pa kayo dyan sa labas ng ICC, hindi maapektuhan ang ICC. Dahil ang ICC mismo ay alam na nila ang mga maling impormasyon sa mga DDE supporters na mga fake news peddlers, no? Alam na nila kung gaano kayo kasama, gaano kayo mag-intriga at sinisiraan nyo yung ICC mismo, no? So ngayon, ang ICC mismo ay hindi maapektuhan sila. Yan po ang sabi nila kung nakaintindi kayo ng English. So ngayon, mga DDE supporters, hanggang iyak na lang kayo dyan. So yung tatay nyo, tatay digong nyo, mabulok yan sa ICC sa Netherlands, no? Mabulok yan sa kulungan. Kahit mag-iyak-iyak pa kayo dyan, kahit maggulong-gulong kayo dyan, magmamakaawa, hindi maawa ang ICC sa inyo, dahil kayo po mismo ang naninira sa ICC. Ito, panoorin nyo mga DDE supporters na mga bubo at tanga. Panoorin nyo po kung ano ang sinasabi sa ICC. Panoorin.
Tiniyak ng International Criminal Court na magiging patas ito sa paglilitis kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa kabila ng mga protesta. Kahit nga ang pamemeke ng impormasyon tungkol sa mga hukom nito, hindi nila makaapekto sa kanilang desisyon.
ang sabi ng tagapagsalita ng ICC,
We do not consider that this should be something that would be kind of distracting our focus from what we have to do, which is our core tasks and core responsibility towards the victims and towards the international community, just to apply the law in an objective and impartial way.
alam din daw ng ICC ang nangyayari sa social media kung saan pinepeke ang impormasyon at minsan ginagawang katatawanan pa ang mga ICC judges.
And we trust that in the social media there will always be some passionate and heated individuals, and we understand that there is also good people that will be actually trying to show the objective nature of things. I think the main and important thing is that we are all focused on only one thing, which is delivering justice in the best conditions for the victims and to ensure that truth is revealed about the guilt or innocence of any person who is accused.
Pero sabi ni Dr. Fadi L. Abdallah, hindi raw makakaapekto ang mga ganito sa pagpapasya ng ICC sa kaso ni Duterte.
We have to understand that the judges can only decide based on what is presented before them, either by the prosecution or by the victim's lawyers or by the defense lawyers. So they are not taking into account any other elements that are not in the files before them. So this type of actions is showing support to certain suspects, but it's not part of the findings for the judges to present to them, so it doesn't have an impact on the proceedings.
Ang hiling ni Abdallah, pagkatiwalaan ng publiko ang proseso ng ICC.
We have to respect the process. It's not about being passionate. It's about being objective, impartial, and applying the law and checking the evidence thoroughly and ensuring that the rights of the defense are respected and that the rights of the